Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the cannot verify your identity. Your action could not be completed because of a server error. Try again issue when trying to change your Apple Idaho password. If you're encountering this problem repeatedly, I'll guide you through the steps to resolve it. Firstly, ensure that your internet connection is stable by checking your control center. Next, open Settings on your device. Scroll down and disconnect any connected VPNs if present. Then, navigate to General Software Update to ensure your device is running the latest software version. Afterwards, go to Date Time Settings and enable Set Automatically to ensure accurate date and time settings. If the issue persists, perform a network settings reset by going to Reset Network Settings. Check if the problem is resolved. If not, perform a force restart by pressing and releasing the volume up button, then the volume down button, and holding the power button until the device restarts. If the problem persists, open your browser and visit iforgot.apple.com. Follow the prompts to reset your password. If the issue still persists, contact Apple support for further assistance. That's it for today's video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.